everyone, this is Kay's Journey, which is now AI Pink Enterprise. Thank you. Welcome in. Come on in. We about to get this. I'm so excited for tonight. So, I want to show you how to take your viral affiliate photos for like Amazon, Temu, SHEIN. I promise you, these will be click worthy every single time. You're going to learn how to create or shoot stunning affiliate photos with your phone. So let's get started. What you're going to do is, and I'm going to leave the affiliate links in my description. You're going to go over to school, right? School is booming. I love school. I tell you what, if it wasn't a school, it would not be AI Pink Enterprise. Promise you that. So there was a lady, I don't know her name, but on here, her name is AI Prompt Studio, and I absolutely love her. So she created a class, and here is all her classes. Here's our all of her classes, and they're really cool. I like them. So I would go, I'm just going to show you guys exactly what I did. There's no time to fool around. We're going straight to the bank. So I'm going to go to her classroom, and I'm going to scroll down to the secret sauce, right? And then I'm going to click on secret sauce, and it's going to take you to the AI baddie story. What you're going to do is you're going to fill in the prompts. I already pre-filled in my prompts, right? Because I have different scenes, and this is going to unfold as I am doing this with you guys. So I have 3 different scenes. I hope they turn out okay. So what I need to do is I'm going to get me an image. Let me see. I'm trying this image here. Let's see how that one looks. That was okay. Let's see. Maybe I don't want that. Let's see. Let's try another image. You're gonna take an image, and you're going to, let's try this one. Was that the first one? I like that one. Okay, so I'm gonna do 16 by 9. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna generate, and let's just see how these photos turn out. Now, while it's generating, let's say you have an affiliate program for Amazon. What you would do is you would go over to Amazon, find the product that you want to promote. I don't care if it's a camera, that's the one we're doing tonight, a Canon camera, but it could be a camera, it can be clothing, it could be technology, bedding supplies, bathroom, it can be anything, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to go to ChatGPT, ask them for the details of the items, that whatever it is that you want to do. And you're going to take those items over, and you're going to ask, wait, let me back up. And you're also going to ask ChatGPT for a prompt, whatever you want, okay? And then you're going to come over here to AI Baddie Story Time. And you're going to put your prompts in each one of these. And you can put as many, you can keep adding right here. You can add as many as you like. I'm just doing 3 for tonight. Let's just see how, whoa, okay. Well, I like these. Oh, so cute. This is super cute. So I like this one. So I'm gonna download that one. And that will be one of my pictures for my, whatever post I'm gonna post. If I put it on Instagram, Facebook, and Facebook right now got a really great monetization going on, okay? This is super cute too. I like the black and white. It looks conservative. Awesome picture. This was kind of hot too, so we're gonna keep that one too. We're gonna do it. So I love that. So now, just to play around, let's go back and let's use a different picture. That was that one. Let's try a different picture. Maybe the one I had earlier. Let's see. Was it this one? Okay. So let's try that one, and let's just see how that's going to turn out. We're doing a quick, this should not even be a 10-minute tutorial, because this is cut and dry. I am going to leave the affiliate links of my school. You can follow me on school, and I'm going to be creating as many tutorials as I possibly can. So I will leave my link, but I also will leave the affiliate link. Oh, and by the way, my school is free. So I just want you to know it's free. But I will also leave her affiliate link so you can get these dope pictures. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Love this. Love that picture. Okay, so we got a black and white. I don't really care for this one. That looked like, I don't know, like I'm stuffed with some mushrooms or something. This is cute, but I don't know. I don't like it. I don't like it. So yeah, just play around with it, you guys. You could do 9 by 16. I'm just doing 16 by 9 because more than likely I'm going to post these to my Facebook with the Canyon camera. That's what I'm doing this time around. It's the Canyon camera. So let's see. Let's go back. Let's see if it'll generate a different one with the same photo. Let's see if we'll have a different scene with the same photo. But yeah, and if you have any questions, please, by all means, make sure you leave it in the comments, because I feel like the more you, oh, it says generator scene. Okay, wait, it says error failed to generate scene 2. Image generation is character reference failed to return to image 2. The model may have refused the request. The model? Who? Who's the model? Let me try to do 9:16. I never had that problem before. So maybe it was because I already did the same picture. So let's see. So this time I decided to do 9:16. Maybe it'll give me a different outlook. And maybe it won't kick it back. Oh, okay. Yeah, it went through. Okay, let's see. Basically the same pictures. Cute though, cute. Oh, I wish I was that skinny. Well, that's okay though. I'm still gonna use that. No one knows. Okay, so that's it, you guys. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that, and me, I do a whole production, right? Like I go over to Sonu, right? I go over to Sonu. I create whole lyrics, whole songs, and that's a whole nother, I guess that's a whole nother tutorial, and we can do that next time, right? So this time I just wanted to give you guys how you can absolutely go viral with your photos. But next time we'll come over to Sonu and we will absolutely get into detail with that to create the whole vibe in itself, right? But thanks for hanging out with me, and please check out AI Prompt. You will not be disappointed. All right, y'all. Have a great night. Bye for now.